Hey there and welcome to Transfer Hippo. During this video, I'm going to show you just how simple it is to place an order on our website and get your gang sheet delivered right to your doorstep. Okay, so here we are on transferhippo.com, and right here on the homepage, all we have to do is click on Build My Gang Sheet. Once we do that, that is going to bring us directly into the builder for our gang sheet. And the first thing that we have to do is go ahead and upload our image files. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I've gone ahead and I've uploaded my first image here, my Grill Master Division, and we can see right now we have a little bit of a verification that this is a good image. If I were to upload something that was not transparent or something that was pixelated and not good quality, it would let us know right here that that image is not good. So that way you don't try to print something that isn't going to turn out well for you. Okay, now just below that you can see that we have the width and the height. Now you are free to customize this however you want. For example, if I change this to 15, we can see how that changes down here at the bottom, but we'll leave ours on 11 right now. And then below that we have the copies. So right now it's just one copy. I can hit this plus button here, add two, and so forth, or I can simply highlight it and go ahead and type in however many copies I wanted. And again, we can scroll down and see exactly what this looks like. Now, something else cool we can do is we can actually upload more than one image. So let me go ahead and upload a few more images. All right, so I've gone ahead and I've uploaded 3 additional images, and I have adjusted the size to how I want them. I also went ahead and I reduced the copies to 4 for the Grill Master, just so it looks a little bit cleaner down here as we scroll down. So we have our 4 Grill Master. Then we have 1 of Adventure Buddy, 1 of the Chaos Coordinator, and 1 of Lake Life. And you'll notice Lake Life is much smaller, and that's because I made that one smaller compared to the other 3. Now again, just like the Grill Master, we can up the copies for each one of these as needed, and as we scroll down, we can see exactly how that looks, okay? Now over here on the right-hand side is a breakdown of our cost and why we are being charged what we're being charged. So basically, you are being charged by how long the gang sheet is going to be. As you can see, this one is about 7 feet long. Total transfers is 14. That's because we have 4 copies of Grill, 4 copies of Adventure Buddy, 4 copies of this one, and then 2 of Lake Life. And then it breaks down what the price per transfer would be, price per foot, and then the subtotal. And then you can see a key of the pricing per foot down below that. Now, if you want to start over, you can simply clear all decisions. If you want to remove just 1 or 2 images, there is a little X up here in the corner that you can click on to remove those images. And once you're ready, all you have to do is click on Add to Cart. Now, once we add that to our cart, we can see that our sheet has been saved, and we need to either sign in with our account or go ahead and create a new account. So that's what I will do now. I will click on Create Account, and then I'm going to enter my email, create a password, and then click on Create Account and Continue. Perfect. And once we get our account created and we are logged in, it is going to redirect us right here to our cart where we can see a breakdown of what exactly we have in our cart. Again, we can remove it if we need to and go back and make any changes. We have the ability to add any notes to our order if needed. And then once we're ready to go, we can go ahead and click on Proceed to Checkout. And that is going to bring us to the checkout page where, again, we have a breakdown of what exactly we are getting. We have our payment details on the left-hand side where you enter those. And then once you have everything entered, go ahead and click on Pay Now down here at the bottom. And just like that, our order was placed. Now, we're going to go ahead and click on Continue Shopping down here at the bottom. And now that we have our account created, up here at the top right, we can click on My Account. And that is going to show us our order history. And we can see that we currently have 1 order in progress. And this is a great place to track your total orders, the ones that have been delivered, shipped, and so forth. And this is also a really great place to come in and reorder gang sheets that you need again without having to go through that entire process from scratch. Now let me show you exactly how to do that. So we have this first order. Let me go ahead and open it up. And here you will see a breakdown of that entire order and everything that you have on that order, okay? So let's say that you need to reorder this exact same order once again. To do that, all you have to do is click on Reorder Exact. Once you do that, it's going to automatically add the exact order to your cart, so then you can just check out again without having to upload each individual image. Let's go ahead and remove that for now. And this time, let's say that you need to reorder this exact same gang sheet, but you don't need the same quantity of each of these. Well, to do that, we're going to go back up here to the top, and this time we're going to click on Customize Reorder. Now what that does is that brings us back inside of our builder with all of the designs, the same copies and so forth that we ordered, and now we can make quick changes to something if we need to. So maybe I only need 2 copies of these, and maybe I no longer need Lake Life, so I can delete it. So I just need these 3 images with these updated copies, and then I can add it to my cart that way. And boom, there we go. Now there's one more method I want to show you. Let's say that you wanted just one of these designs. So we can scroll down here and we can say reorder this design on that specific image that you want. So I'll do that for Grill Master, and that's going to bring it back inside of our builder, just that design with the same settings that we had, and I can make changes here if I need to and then add it to my cart. And it's just that simple. And you can create your account for free and get started today at transferhippo.com.